forgot.
What is it? A present for me?
No, silly. It's a guessing game.
Show me, show me. I'm eager to see what you got.
Attention, please.
Wow, a golden ticket.
I, Willy Wonka, have decided to allow 5 children to come to my chocolate factory. At the end of the tour, they will be given enough chocolates and sweets to last them for the rest of their lives. So, watch out for the golden tickets. Good luck to you all and happy hunting.
My name is Augustus and I love eating. Eating is my hobby, actually. I adore chocolate. I eat so many pounds of chocolate a day. What a thrill it will be for me to visit Mr. Wonka's factory.
I wanted the golden ticket and I won't take no for an answer. My parents will do anything to please me. Their mission is make me happy. Oh, I almost forgotten. My name is Veruca.
My name is Violet. I'm a passionate gum chewer. I can't live without gum. Well, when I heard about the golden ticket, I switched to chocolate. But now I'm right back on gum. I chew it all day long. I hope that Mr. Wonka has invented many purple, juicy, tempting gums.
My name is Mike, and I cannot imagine my life without a TV screen. My eyes are glued to it. Yes, I have the golden ticket, but why can't you leave me alone? I become very upset when someone tries to distract me.
My name is Charlie Bucket. I like chocolate, but unfortunately, I can't get it very often. I get it once a year for my birthday. It's my favorite day of the whole year. Now I see. It's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Oompa loompa doopity doo, I've got a perfect puzzle for you. Oompa loompa doopity dee, if you are wise, you'll listen to me.